Let me, this is going to finish me. Please. Ooh.
Are you? Madam, what now? Why do you put your mouth like that for road? Wetin happen?
How?
You see anybody pass here?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
This one where they open mouth like this. Now wow. This useless man, if I catch him today, he must come and finish what he started to. Hey, ooh, this man. You are sure you did not see anybody?
You don't see anybody now. Please just be good.
Now wow.